Local news for Wednesday, the 4th of March. The 60th Golden Shears gets underway today inside the War Memorial Stadium in Masterton. Dozens of competitors will battle it out in 4 days of all pressing, handling and shearing competitions as they strive to take out the titles and, of course, the Open Shears champion, which will be crowned Saturday night. Gavin Hipkins and Peter Puyer, their Gone Home exhibition opens this Friday at Aratoy. On show until June, it then travels to Sydney. The exhibition features 2 tourists of photography of different generations in a game of visual snap. And the New Zealand Symphony Orchestra will perform J.S. Bach's masterpiece Goldberg Variations tonight. Directed by the NZSO concertmaster Vesa Matti Lepagnon, Goldberg Variations sees the orchestra perform the variations on a variety of instruments. And the show is on tonight at the Carterton Event Centre. And finally, good luck to the Wairarapa men's Evergreen softball team. They're heading away tomorrow to Nelson for their annual tournament. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.